Same thing. You use it in your PowerPoint and Word also. So I'm giving you a very quick tip which is common in your Word and PowerPoint as well. This cell over here, just double click over here. Just double click over here. Once you can just click on the cell wherever you want the formatting. See? Wow. One. Can you see? Just one click. Apply on this 39 also. I'll just click. See? It is applied on 39 also. I apply in this cell as well. See? This cell as well. What formatting? Now you need not remember the formatting. I can do it at as well. See? I've done it as well. One go. This format to act. I'm using Control C to reverse, bring it down. Let's but in which you can actually format choice. We'll worry. You just start regarding features also. These are the very basics I know, but just to give a start to some of the people who are really basic, because I some people have not used it. You'll have over here because things and may not do the basics here. Lot for a longer time, but I'll give you some this like the of this Excel. So what change the way my Excel looks? I want to change the interface of the Excel. So for that, I this option. I have an option of accounts. I first of all this interface. This is giving me school supplies. So what I will just go ahead and change. See, any of the options that you want, you can change it from here. These are just how you present your Excel. I don't like this theme as well. I theme to black color because that clear. So I'll just change this theme to black. Probably whichever themes you like, or maybe colorful settings. If you want to have, you can have the colorful settings as well. You want you can customize the color. So this is basically changing of your theme according to your. You can actually go ahead and change the theme according to your choice as well, right? So that's your what you call of your quick one. You can just check and discuss of the worksheet so that you're aware let's for that you can also also open a fresh sheet and try there. Now, Excel sheet over here, very interesting feature. You will see that. Now, what is that? Uh, now, what that sheet which I have written, that is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Feb, March. I have information over here. Suppose I have entered this information over here. Now, we add 15 or sheets. What am I going to do for that is, I phenomena or general thing which will come to your mind is this information and paste it. But I position and is exactly you will move or copy it. That's what sheets in the similar manner. And then I have got certain formatting also, which I have to apply. So for now, be using is just add press and each of the sheets. You will observe the sheets come in this form. Select sheets, the sheets you want the data on. Just and select the number of sheets. Now what you will do is you will just write the information whatever you want. I want the information related to Ram, Sham, Sita, Gita, then Feb, March. Have certain information like 12, 13, 15, 13. Probably these are the sales figures that they have achieved in these times. So I have just written that. I've written that on just one single sheet. Just imagine on one single sheet. Now just unselect them and now just click on each sheet. You will see the same data at the same position is replicated on all the sheets. You will observe that. You will observe the sheet is replicated. Each of the sheet, the same data is being replicated over here. That is of your sheets. Now, and not use copy or paste because why copy or paste? You could skip what you call as skipped probably a cell. You would have actually on a pasted some want uniformity in all the sheet. It is not on this data, but something like there is a template. Now template which has to be created on all the sheets. Let's see that. I just delete these sheets. I'll just delete these sheets quickly over here. What you want is you want that template because on that will be filled up. You have template on. Click on sheet, control and click on all the sheets together. On any one of the sheets, just create the template. Just create this template. I wanted it like I wanted thick, then I text written should be in the green color. Now you see, now sheet, the same template is being copied. You need not copy the template on all the sheets. This is the beauty of your grouping of sheets. This is how you can sheets. Wonderful. You can just try it and if you enjoyed this feature, this is a very wonderful feature in Excel which helps you in grouping of the sheets. Please post it in the chat box once you have tried. Also, one so that you all can try. most of you have done. Back to your sheet, which the template which we have been using. We have done now you have a picture of auto select, auto fill, and now what I want to do is I this is the date which I have written, that is 9/1/20, which is basically first 9/2022. I want it should be just repeated in this form that second 9/2022 next, third 9/2022 next. So I should have that I should have that sequence of the date available. So what I will do is I will just type in one more date in the same format. I will just type in over here. Now once I have typed in this, just select this. Just go to the selection over here. You will see that your handle changes to the plus sign. Now once you select this, just drag this down. This is an option of autofill. You will see that automatically gets filled up. You need not write a correct hand. Just write two dates in the same form and just drag that down. That is what is basically an autofill option. Now, this is one of the features which is available for predefined list. Like suppose I have Jan, then I have written Feb. I select this. Now I select this list as well. You'll see it is getting autofilled as to March, April, May, June. I request all of you to please glue your eyes on my screen while I'm doing because I think you will miss something. Otherwise, it will be very difficult if we repeat a feature. It is going to take a lot of time. So let's do it only when I give you time to perform it. Right? So this is how you can customize. You can actually fill up the list. But I want a customized list also. This is something I'm sure you've seen that and you must be using it also. Now there's another option. I don't want to drag this option only. I want that information should be actually retrieved from middle. That is, I want that in a column actually this information should be retrieved. This information from the column should be retrieved. Every middle letter from this column should be retrieved. So what I will do is I will just write that one middle option for the first time. I will also write it for the second time. I can write that for the second time also. But the moment I have written it for the second time, you will see automatically intelligence of Excel has given me that what exactly are you wanting. You wanting all the second letters in this. This option is called as the flash fill option. You can either click on that and press enter. Every other option will be selected over here. This option is called as the flash fill option in Excel. Let's quickly try that and then you can also try for this as well. Suppose you want to just retrieve the middle information in this as well. You want to just retrieve Harris and I just want to write Martin. The moment I write that, you see every second letter word will be retrieved from this. Every second part of your email address is retrieved from this. This is what is basically flash fill option. You can quickly try this flash fill option and then we are going to customize the list. Just quickly try this option. Once done, request all of you to post it in the chat box. I will wait for 1 2 minutes for all of you. If we are using these features, we will also have a very messy data, very haphazard data. We will be doing all these features together at the end of it in that data. So remember to use these features very properly. Alright, to take flash fill once more, what we will do is, suppose I want to retrieve the information which is at the end of this letter. So what I will do is CC12. I will write that. Then I will write CB. The moment I write CB, can you see? The information is automatically filled and I press enter. Automatically the entire information is filled. So just imagine you've spent it hours of time just write the last letters of this. After eyes glued on it. Your eyes, if you have, suppose, 1,000 letters there, you can actually retrieve this information. Right? In case if it is not working, you can just type in 2 letters over here and press Control E. That will also or you can home tab have this icon over here of fill. You can just use this option of dash fill over here. This will also fill up the information of it. Just use this option. Just fill up the information, select that data, and just use this information of hash. This will also fill up the data. It is not working. That is your flash fill option.
हाँ चल रहा है सब क्या वो तो मीटिंग चलेगी क्या आपकी
2 बजे तक है।
2 बजे तक है
9:30 तक।
क्या पढ़ाएगा पढ़ाते पढ़ाते क्या
अरे वो जो होता नहीं आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का जो
एआई सिखा रहे हैं
हाँ, ये वही तो बता रहे हैं।
तो मतलब ऐसे सीख जाएंगे इस पर
नया स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग चालू किया ना तो सेव रहेगा।
Wonderful
जो नहीं
feature in
आएगा बाद
Excel.
में देख लूंगा।
Now another feature what we are going to do is that you know the list you can use another sheet for that, right? You can actually it's automatically enabled running. So what you need to do is in case it is not working for you, you can just write down and just try using this flash fill from here. It will give you flash fill for the first time. Just select the entire information and just press flash fill. It will work for you. Okay? Now this I
हो गया
list.
एक
I
व्यक्ति
want
चालू हो
to
गया
customized form of this.
कनेक्ट करके देखो
I want that okay when I
पीछे
type one,
चला
it gives me the information. What information it gives me? The moment I drag in after selecting this, it will give me
निकाले
this
नहीं क्या होता
information.
हमेशा
This
में
is
लगता
very
था
predefined. This is very less. This is very common. But I am in a
चार
very
ये लगेगा
frequent
ना
use
एक
of a
अलग
list, which is
रेल
actually
वाली
now
ना
I shared the path over here purposefully so that you need not cramp. Later on after this session also you can use this.
कितने देर के लिए
This will be a ready material.
फ्री अनलिमिटेड
So what happens is I want to customize this list according to my self.
नहीं तो
So
मोबाइल
for
पे कैसे
that,
चलाएंगे
what I
इसमें
will
तो
do is I will
मोबाइल पे अगर
actually
चाहिए होगा
go ahead and customize that list. So for that, what I will do is I will just go to the files option. Now I want to add a list like I have my colleagues with me. So I want that every time it should give me ratio, brain,
भाई
so these are people which I use very frequently, and beneath that I have the list of information. So what I will do is
कॉम ऐट द
I will
रेट
follow
25
this path. Now, which is this path?
कॉम
I
ऐट
will
द
just
रेट
go to
25
this files menu, go to options. In options, just go to advanced. You add the path written on your sheet. Just keep your eyes glued over here.
स्पीड
Now,
देखिए
just go to general section over here. Just go to
स्पीड देखिए
general
कितनी
section
गूगल
over
पे
here.
जाके
Just visit the general section
गूगल
over
पे
here.
स्पीड टेस्ट लिखा है
This is the general section and you have
ये
edit
बड़ा नहीं खाता है
custom.
उसमें
Just click on this edit
इसको जब
custom.
865
Now you
करेंगे
have few lists already
एक
added here.
करते
I
हैं
want
करते
to
हैं
add a
यूपीएस
new list.
एक
So
बड़ा
for
वीएस
that
है
what I will do is
एक
I will
छोटा
just
वीएस
add a new list. Now I
जो
want to import the
जो
I can
बीट्स
also add the
परसेंट
list
होता
by
है
writing
बाइट परसेंट
I can also import the list. Let's do
हाँ
that
तो उसे
once.
8 बिट ऐड कीजिए
Now I want to import this list. Which list I want? I want every time it has to flash this. So I'll just press this and I'll just click on add. This list I have just imported. Now see, this list has been imported over here. Now just click on add. This list will be added over here and used. Now, just now every time issue I train, the list is very long for me, and I just drag this handle. You will see Jot Manish Reshu,
मेगा
Jot
बीट पर
Manish. Every
सेकंड
time it
एक
will
मेगा बीट पर सेकंड होता है
every
मेगा
time
बाइट पर
it will.
सेकंड
नहीं
This is
से
how you
बीट
can
होता है
customize the
बीपीएस
list.
आप देखिएगा कभी
Now you can
कभी
also have a
के
very
बी
long list
बड़ा
over
वाला
here.
बी
Like
लिखा
I
होगा
have the list of
और
these
कभी
portfolio
छोटा वाला बी
companies over
लिखा
here.
है
अच्छा
What I
तो
can do
उसमें
is
तो
I can
छोटा
just
वाला
go
बी
to this
बीट
accounts.
हो गया
बीट
I
है
sorry, I
अब
can
बड़ा
just go
वाला
to this
बी
options. In
बाइट
this advanced,
एक
go to the general section.
कितना 8 बीट
In
हाँ
बराबर
this I
चार
have
चार
edit
बीट
custom
चार
list.
बीट बराबर
I will
एक
just
बीट
get
एक
this
बीट
list from
4
here.
बाइट की
Just
बराबर
select
एक
this
बाइट
list.
4 बीट के बराबर
Now
चार
just
बीट
आठ
and
आठ
add
की
this.
चार
Once this
नहीं,
list is added,
चार नहीं होता।
निबल गए थे,
निबल
चार
निबल
वाले
everyone,
निबल गए।
the moment I type ECS,
तो
कितना होता है सर, कितना होता है?
1 TB कितना
बीट
होगा?
बाइट मेरी
remember the
एक
spelling
बाइट
has to be
8
correct.
बिट के बराबर है।
8 बीट का
And now
वन
if I
हाँ
drag
निबल है
this,
वो निबल है
I need not write this list every time. This list will be
रिबल क्या
automatically
होता है?
dragged.
रिबल
ये भी
Automatically I
निबल
will have
निबल
all the list. It
छोटी
will
यूनिट है
finish
बाइट।
till Ashram Motors
अच्छा,
and then
बाइट
it
से
will
भी
again
छोटा
be
है,
ECS.
हाँ
बीट से छोटा
बीट
है,
से
Whatever I
छोटा।
want,
बीट
ITS.
दो रिबल बराबर
Whatever
है।
I want this list. I
चार
can
चार
create a
है दो है
customized
चार
list
है
according
निबल
to my
निबल 4 बिट के बराबर है।
4 रिबल बराबर।
right. That's how I can create my customized list.
वहाँ जो
Very
कंप्यूटर
wonderful
चलाता
feature
है
it
वो
is.
सबके हम
Very
सब तो
wonderful.
रटते हैं।
ना ये सब
Custom list option
आजकल ये
available
3rd
in
4th क्लास
Excel
में
program.
कंप्यूटर को जो बच्चा पढ़ाया जाता है उसको बताया जा रहा
Wonderfully
है।
created.
इनके भी
I'll
अलग
wait
अलग
for
है
1 minute for all of you.
कहा करे
This,
सर, अब अगले जन्म
let
में
me know
सीखेंगे,
once
समझे
you've
नहीं?
finished.
अरे आप लोग को जरूरत ही अभी नहीं है, अब तो
एक से जन्म लेंगे ना।
ट्रांस लाइन वाला निकालना है बोला था T3 T4 T2 है एक T1 है तो T2 तो समझ आ रहा है T3 भी समझ आ रहा है T4 और T1 मुझे समझ नहीं आ
ये
रहा
अपने आप का बना रखे हैं वो।
खुद का बना रखा है तो बोलता नहीं है T1 है
मैं भी
ये
पहली बार
मैंने
T1
ये बात
T2 सुना,
सीखी नहीं
अभी पहली बार T1 T2
हाँ
सुना। L1 L2 सुना था।
L2 L3 है
L1 L2
स्विच है
अरे लेवल 1 लेवल 2
वो ऐसा बड़ा काम करता है
हब होता है, फिर राउटर होता है, इस टाइप से
तो वो जब बोले
7 लेयर्स होती है ना डीएनएस में।
वो उसमें वो ऐसा ही मॉडल होता है
फिजिकल डेटा नेटवर्क ट्रांसपोर्ट सेशन प्रेजेंटेशन एप्लीकेशन लास्ट वाली लेयर होती है। हम लोग
डाटा लेयर पे काम करता है ये नॉर्मल स्विच जो है मैं कहते हैं और वो जो राउटर सब होते हैं ये नेटवर्क लेवल पे काम करता है लेयर 3 में इसी लेवल पे
एक एमपीएलएस जो हम लोग का है ना वो सेकंड और थर्ड के बीच में काम करता
आप
है।
लगता है इंजीनियर है ना, आप इंजीनियर है ना?
मैं
हाँ,
एम्प्लॉय हूं मैं इसका
बड़ी जानकारी है आपको।
अरे तो ये सब
मैं तो पिछले साल एग्जाम दिया था इसलिए सब पढ़ना ही पड़ा था, नहीं पढ़ते तो फेल भी हो जाते।
वो एमपीएलएस और 2.5 लेयर
150 का पेपर था, 90 आए
Very
थे।
interesting feature.
2.5 लेयर पे काम करता है तो हर जगह लगा भी नहीं यहाँ पे कहीं नहीं लगा
एमपीएलएस हम लोग के यहाँ लग रहा है।
अरे जो एसडीएच डिवाइस थे एसडीएच वाले, तो एमपीएलएस वाले ज़्यादा कैपेसिटी के होते हैं, एसडीएच वाले 1 जीबीपीएस हैं, 10 तक है मैक्सिमम। एमपीएलएस वाले हल्के भी होते हैं और दूसरे लेयर पे
ये
काम करते
कहाँ
हैं।
से डायरेक्ट
अब एसडीएच को एमपीएलएस सिग्नल वाले सब एमपीएलएस के ही तो हैं, तो एसडीएच को उसी से रिप्लेस कर रहे हैं। एसडीएच सिस्टम खत्म, उसके पहले पीडीएच था, तो वो चीज़ खत्म की तो
Okay.
एसडीएच है,
I
एसडीएच
think
खत्म
people are
करके
still moving.
एमपीएलएस
I'll just
लाए।
wait for
और जो आईपी
1
फोन है
minute more.
ये सब हटा के उसी पे एमपीएलएस पे ही सब चल जाएगा। वो जो आपके फोन नहीं चलते वाले रिंगटोन वाले,
कंट्रोल वाले
हाँ उसको हटा के वो आईपी आईपी फोन आईपी आईपी बूस्ट ऑडियो से जाते थे ना हम लोग का 5 जीबीपीएस का लिंक था, तो वहाँ तो वो सब चला ही करता है ऑडियो से।
तब और फैसिलिटी देते हैं, स्टेशन मास्टर को बिगाड़ दीजिए, वो अभी आप बिगाड़ खोजेगा फैसिलिटी।
अरे नहीं वो सालों में देख फोन है फिर भी वो सालों में नोटो ही चाहिए
हाँ,
तो कर लेंगे
Let's proceed further. Now
पता
next
है
sheet
इतने
we will
फोन
jump
रखे
in.
पड़े
Now
हैं
these
तो
are very
फोन है
small
उसका
features which you can
सीजी दे
use
रखा है उससे
in
बोलो
मैं
your
सोच रहा हूँ तो फोन
file.
होते क्या, काम क्या है इसका?
Okay, so these
वही
features,
है वही
some
वही
of
है
these features we will use
कि
in our
गवर्नमेंट
user
का इतना
data
पैसा
also.
कि इतना
So
फूक
while
फूक रही है,
state may let
लाखों फोन
the
लगा।
user
अभी
you
आपने
will
देखा
have
नहीं
user data
नंबर
as well.
नहीं उसमें इतने फोन है इतने फोन है नहीं
Now
चार्ज
हम
कर
बताएं
दिया वो दूसरा
ये
we
पिछली
have
कंपनी होगी, उनका डंप हो गया होगा, कहीं बिक नहीं रहा है
ये
तो
कोई
यही
नहीं
ला
करते
के
हैं इसे कोई नहीं करता है ये प्लास्टिक
तो
है
यहाँ
I
डंप कर
would
दिया ना,
request you
यहाँ
to
सब कुछ
share the
डंप हो
link
जाएगा।
before the URL link once again. Keep sharing that link
बोलता
with
है
your
यार प्लास्टिक में चला
हमारे यहाँ बीएसएनएल
so
का
that
एक्सचेंज
people have
खुलवाया था
access
चाचा
to
ने
that.
अपने ही प्लॉट पे, तो उस
Now
टाइम
go
डब्ल्यूएल से
to
वायरलेस
here right
होकर
now and end
फाइबर
of the
उसी टाइम
session we will
2000
share
में
that
नहीं देखी
link
थी।
again.
अच्छा
You must
हाँ
have
यहाँ
gone
बाबू
out
में
to that.
एक्सचेंज खुलवाए थे,
So we'll share.
जमीन अपनी दी है।
Alright. Now what we are going to do over here is what we have is we have this
इसमें
this
वायरलेस
slash
लोकल
so we have bifurcate
हाँ टेलीकॉम में खूब पैसा था,
from
2000 से
last
2010 में खूब पैसा
गाँव
था।
के
उसके
आप
बाद जो
मैसेज पहुँचाने के लिए
yes you
5
can
रुपये
initiate
देते
उसमें जो टेलीकॉम में ज्वाइन करता
that
था
we saw
आने जाने की सुविधा सब कुछ देता था।
in fact
ये
what
DL
this
है
data
क्या?
must
जबरदस्त
come
भाई।
from mid of
लेकिन
this.
2010 के बाद सब
Want to
डूब गया।
extract
सब
it,
डूब गया,
you
मोबाइल
want this
है।
data from mid of
आरकॉम
this.
डूब गया, रिलायंस कम्युनिकेशन, जियो, वोडाफोन सब जो है सबके सब डूब
And then second data I wanted from the last.
गए। अरे जब 100 कंपनी खुल जाएंगे तो
Here
डूब ही
also you
जाएंगे।
would have observed this data was from the mid of my list. If I want, I can extract it from the last. So I can extract the data from the mid of the list and
जियो
the
भी नहीं
last.
टिकेगा, तुम सारा पैसा बांट दियो उसके बाद भी नहीं
Now,
चलेगा। अभी भी
suppose
जो है पर जो
I
हम
have
तो हम वाले हैं अभी
to bifurcate
दे नहीं
this
पा रहे।
data. I have to separate this first column and the last column from the data. So for that, what I
हाँ,
want is
उसको
that I should be able to
लंदन की कोई
bifurcate this
कंपनी
data
नहीं
into two
है।
columns because I want to separate this first name and the last name. Now, generally, what happens?
हैथवे
Generally,
है,
whenever we are
डेन है, कोई
working
है
this, we
नहीं।
will do this manually, and we are going to separate the first name and the last name, separately separating the first name and the last name. Very difficult because this list is very small. This year we have broadly 16 people. But what if you are 1600?
ट्रेनिंग अलग से करेंगे
What
ना,
if you are
50
16,000?
की ट्रेनिंग ये वहाँ
Then
से जो
obviously
है
this becomes very difficult. 16 lakh people. Again, the number keeps increasing. It becomes very difficult for us to
अरे जो
separate
एक्सेल
this
भरा नहीं
first
जाता
name and the
है,
last name. Just
कुछ
imagine
भरना है,
you will
एक
take
क्लिक
good
करो सारा
4 5
डेटा आ जाता है
days to
उसके।
separate this first name and the last name.
जैसे आपको
And
ये
at the
नाम
end of
चाहिए,
it, you will say
ये
that it
सारे
is
नाम,
better to do it manually.
तो
So,
उसमें
but
डालते
then
हो
we have an
एक
automatic
फ्लैश,
method for
फ्लैश
it.
वाला,
So, for
फ्लैश
what we will do is
तो ये नाम सेलेक्ट कर लेगा आपके।
just select this data.
ये
Select.
कोई
Please keep your
फिर
eyes on my
मॉडल नंबर
screen.
जैसे
I
आपने
will
डाले
give
ना,
you time. I'm going to be pausing for some time to perform
एक्सेल
this.
के
Don't
अंदर ही
worry with
एआई
that
लगा है
part.
उसको बता रहा
Just just go on the data tab this time. Just go on this data type and you have an option text view column. Now just select this option of text view column.
है। अब चाहे सीखो
Now
नहीं चाहे
first option
अटेंडेंस
that you
जरूरी है, वरना
select
एब्सेंट लग
this
जाएगी
is
मेरी,
delimited.
ऑनलाइन
Just keep
अटेंडेंस
this
लग
option as
जाएगी।
delimited as of now. Do not alter that option. Just keep this option of delimited and which is by default selected and just click on next. Now it is to be delimited by
चलिए सारे
what?
कॉन्फ़िगर
It
हो
is
गए।
delimited by what actually? I want it to be delimited by space because it is separated by space currently. If it is delimited by tab, semicolon, comma, whatever delimited by, you can select that. It is currently delimited by space. Now in the illustrative view over here, you can see automatically it is bifurcating this. Now you will just click on next one. Now that it is generally giving by which destination you want to change it. Keep this column data format as general only where you want to bifurcate it. I'll say I want to bifurcate it in this column. I don't want to touch my original list, but I want to bifurcate in another column. I'll just click on finish. You will see the first name and the last name is bifurcated in just one click. And you can just put in the headers over here as first name and last name. This is how you can bifurcate the data. And the only thing now you have to do is just go to the home tab and just select this name. That's it. I don't worry. This is how you can do it. Let's retry. I have to separate my first name from the last name. I have to separate that data. I have this data. Now this data is around 16,000 million records. 16,000 records. How do I first of all select this amount of the data? Suppose if I have a huge data, let's say, let's go to the last of the sheet where you have somewhere around 8,000 records, which we are going to use to create pivot tables around. This is around 8,000 records. If I have to select all that, am I going to drag this mouse and select this? No, this is not a very great practice. Now a quick shortcut over here. You will just